Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The ROG Phone 9 will be available in two color options, black and white. The new gaming phone will be powered by the ultra powerful Snapdragon 888 Lite, delivering performance levels comparable to a PC. The ASUS ROG Phone 9 will be equipped with LTPO AMOLED touchscreen display with 6.78 inches big screen size. The phone features a straight pentagonal design. Thanks to Qualcomm's Orion architecture CPU, the new Adreno GPU, and the enhanced Hexagon NPU, offering unmatched performance for mobile gaming enthusiasts, and high refresh rate of 165Hz means you play a game without any issue. And storage will be 512 GB and 1 TB. The RAM will be two options, 16 and 24 GB. The battery will be big one. There will be in-display fingerprint reader for phone protection. That's all for now and thanks for watching.